Okay, we're going to change out the cartridge on this Flushmate pressure assist toilet. This is a model 504. So the first thing you want to do is turn the water off. Then take these two screws out right here to move this arm out of the way. So to get this out, you take a pair of channel locks or adjustable pliers, slip it down in there, and it'll thread out of there. So let me get this off and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is the old one, this is the new one. So this piece right here, you have to, it's adjustable. And to get it close, you can just line it up with the old one. And then once you get it lined up, it has a screw that you have to put in the end of it. So make sure you put that screw in, that's what keeps it from turning. Also, it comes with a screen that goes on the inlet, and it has this duckbill valve, and I'll show you where that goes as well. So this is where the duckbill valve goes. It's right in here. It's a good idea to change this out, and that's what it looks like. It's just this is what the new one looks like. So you just pull it out and stick it in there and tighten it back up. Okay, so now we're ready to put the new cartridge in, and it never hurts to put a little plumber's grease on the O-rings. I typically do put them on every O-ring, so you just basically you put it back in there and you thread it back down in there until it is snug. Okay, now that you have the cartridge threaded all the way down in there, the adjustment here, it's pretty close. You just don't want this to be touching this arm. You just need a little bit of space under it, about 1/8 of an inch or less, and you're good to go. The last thing you have before you turn the water on is this little screen, and it goes up inside of this where the line connects. If you have low water flow, you would want to change that screen.